everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to let you know the ways to use British Airways Companion Voucher. In order to use the Companion Voucher, you just have to follow the steps. First of all, go and open up a browser. On the web address bar, type in the link that is MX Companion Vouchers dash. So type in www.britishairways.com/content. I'm going to leave the link on the description box below as well. So right on this page, you'll be able to find the information or the instructions on how you can use your companion voucher. So as you can see there, it has been mentioned clearly that reward flight booking made with a companion voucher can only be used on British Airways and it is subsidiary CityFlyer. You could use on this following airlines. Now the card member and the companion must travel together at all time, therefore must be booked onto the same flight and cabin class when traveling with the companion voucher. So booking for companion must be made at the same time as the card member makes the booking. Now reward flights booking made with a companion voucher can only be redeemed online through the British Air Executive Club, Avios reward flight booking fees and British Airways Executive Club app or through British Air's contact center, and companion vouchers must be applied at the time of booking through your British Airways Executive Club account. So by following the steps, you should be able to successfully use your British Airways companion voucher. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.